shit, the doors are loose. Oh, do I have to press 2? Oh, I gotta hold it. Dakota suck. Not sure what that means. Oh, look. Ooh, a dong. What other magnificent artwork is going to be on display today? Alright, now first, let us take a look at this magnificent artwork. As you can see here, somebody drew male genitalia on the doors, which obviously takes a lot of artistic talent. If we look around the cab here, we can see somebody scribbled. Obviously, this is abstract to represent the state society is in today, obviously. And here we said, God heart you. Obviously, that is some sort of religious art. This is like an art museum, I gotta say. Capacity is 5,000 pounds. Here's your key switches and your buttons and a mystery blank button that doesn't even push. Ooh, you know what? Let's do a stop switch demo. All right. Stop switch. There's the stop switch. All right, let's get going again. I love Lisa. Who the fuck is Lisa? Dakota skull suck is. I wonder what that means. Dom, Glenn, and LOL. Wow. There's your phone. All right, and then we will. Ooh, security door. Never heard of that. And WAD. I wonder what that means. All right. Well, that is all.